Alright, just interrupted, have to start all over again. Alright, on your Breeze, this is a GPS module. This is the locking button. The whole thing is your 11.1 volt battery. Your USB port is behind this rubberized piece right here. You got to pull it off. You got your clockwise propeller. This propeller spins this way, this propeller spins this way, your counterclockwise propeller spins there, spins here. Your lens components on the front. The motor that controls it up and down. Then the quick release propeller protector. Those would be those little slots on each side. Your optical flow module. We'll have to turn it upside down. And then the infrared sensor, the power button on the bottom, and the fuselage cover is this whole piece right here. I'm assuming that this whole piece will come off. That's why they call it the fuselage cover. And that is getting to know your Yuneec Breeze 4K quadcopter drone.